rules it as if you have, there are certain set of rules which you, if the motion is something, but I didn't find anything illegal in this motion. So I thank first of the chair to give me the answer for that.
Kita punya motion programming meneliti isi berkaitan dengan di legislation ada apa sebagainya. Yang kita itu berkaitan dengan yang konsumen manusia kami orang harus memang isi legislation berkaitan dengan di legislation di department yang boleh konsumen ini.
So Chairman, that's the part of the motion. So sorry, you get the rules for rejecting the motion. There are certain rules for rejecting the motion. Every rules to make up the against the personal attack rule, there is a split argument, it's not for the person, it's not the person privilege. Now, where do you implement? The new motion that I have of the governments and the council is essential. You never implement it. Kalau kita consider kompet kami, siapa mencuri, kami diam mencuri, kau ini mahuan untuk argumentan, implement mereka, mereka berbuat. Ini semua ada discuss important for the house. Kemudian yang kita lakukan, I found a very good person. You are a very good person, you know what to check. Kita berbuat illegal. Kemudian yang kita seperti doesn't false in line with the procedure in the house. Kalau illegal, merely already a right issue important ini, a right issue for discussion of the council committee is rejected the ground freedom and meaningless. Member of the point, the chairman, how to say something, not very important. But not in the other chat, only got it now. The Lord business, he get to see of the council committee up there, our right issue of discuss, we have to discuss. If you point out the number, point out the issue, you put the view, okay, when you see the government power will be able to do that thing. And like, if they know that all the committee, come on, you go to all of the people, never be one. The government now puts a shutdown, it's a kind of you want, we can suffer. When you are able to shoot or anything, you are able to see your man and see the light. Right here, you will do. You're in love with the game, you're in the idea to it. You thought you want to get in when you're there. When you want to do everything now, when you do that, right, you should go and have again. And then, however, I come in the issue, the more you get the issue, the more I know, the government now, taking council, PMU, that's all. The last that we need to try to do PMU, that's all we can do. Just stand there, country. Parents do not pay the chairman then. Don't even do not pay them. Dengan hari ini, some possession, some passion to the kan ini mana ini dalam proses ini, kami dalam target isi di bawah itu. Mereka ada isu, bukan target. Mereka kalau ada, kalau bisa tahu, mereka menangkap. Besok, kamu sudah referensi house, what's the meaning of somebody house? Dan kita, kami untuk orang orang negara, ketika kita people that get isi kita pada negara kita, untuk apa? Untuk negara. Dia apa lagi? Dan pun untuk negara ini. Andre, ini kita saat kita masa pun club ini, dapat jalan di house, dan telur yang sudah di house ini, dia belum di motion kita boleh club ini, dan so ya siapa yang tahu possession dah, pedang dalam possession dah, kami ini formal isu ini.